Have you been looking for your DH bestie? Well, here I am, and your girl is excited to be back. Y'all already know what time it is. Your girl is finally back, better than ever. I got new hauls, new pieces, new clothes, new shoes, a lot of new things that I want to show y'all. So let's just go ahead and get into the first pack. Now I ordered these strictly because they match this shirt, okay? Okay, so we got a pair of Jordan 4s. Box is in good condition, y'all already know. Only the best of the best. Everything come wrapped. First look, exclusive. Too cute. These are the Jordan 4s in white and purple, but today they're gonna be the Jordan 4s in white and magenta because the color match. Y'all see it. The shoe is in tip-top condition. Take a look at the details. Y'all see that? Yeah, it's doing exactly what it's supposed to. Take a look at the bottom. So let's get into the back of the shoe. Yes, quality. And then last but not least, y'all know we gotta get into the tongue. Because if the tongue ain't tonguing, we can't wear it. What y'all think about that? I think the tongue is doing exactly what she's supposed to do. Don't knock my vendor, okay? Don't knock my vendor. Now, even though magenta is not my favorite color, I had to go ahead and cop these because I just feel like they match the aesthetic, for one. And for two, they just too cute. You like them? Go ahead and go get you some.